guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the font style in your Instagram in your profile. So let's go to Safari. You can go, if you are using Android, you can go to Chrome browser also in your mobile. Let's go to a site called yatext.com. I'll give the link in my description. Okay, so type something here. Okay, so these are the different text. Okay, I like this one. Just copy. Okay, it's copied. Let's go to Instagram back again. Edit profile. Yep. See. So this is it, guys. Likewise, you can change the fonts in your Instagram bio. So thanks for watching, guys.